Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgets Insider. Today we're exploring the 15 best home gadgets you can find on Amazon in 2025. So let's get started. On top of our list, we have the ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover and Reusable Lint Roller. This innovative tool is a game changer for pet owners, offering superior pet hair removal compared to traditional lint rollers. Convenient and versatile, it effortlessly cleans furniture, couches, carpets, and more. Easy to use, sustainable, and highly effective, the ChomChom Roller is a must-have for every pet-loving household. Next up, we have the Joyroom 6-pack magnetic cable clips, designed for seamless cable organization in various settings. Featuring a 7.5mm perfect cable slot diameter, these holders accommodate a range of cables, including phone chargers and HDMI cords. The magnetic clamp design allows for effortless one-handed cable management, while the enhanced acrylic adhesive ensures a secure hold on flat surfaces without leaving any residue. Moving along, we'll explore the Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker, a delightful addition to family gatherings and movie nights. This s'mores kit includes all the essentials for creating perfect golden brown s'mores indoors. With a flameless heater requiring only an outlet, stainless steel roasting forks, and easy-to-clean trays, it provides a safe and convenient way to enjoy this classic treat while fostering a sense of nostalgia and togetherness. In the fourth spot, we have the ODDISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, a portable and cordless solution for efficient cleaning in homes, schools, and offices. Powered by 2 AA batteries, not included, lasting up to 90 minutes, this vacuum offers cordless convenience and ease of use. Its 360-degree rotatable design ensures thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, while the high suction power and low noise operation make it ideal for quick desktop cleaning tasks. In the fifth number, we have the Cisily Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, a compact and efficient sink caddy in stylish black. Constructed from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this organizer boasts a rotatable spout for directing water into the sink, minimizing countertop drips. With dimensions of 9.25 inches long by 3.93 inches wide by 6.3 inches high and a weight of 300 grams, it accommodates a detergent bottle, sponge ball, sink stopper, and up to 4 brushes in its brush holder. Let's quickly explore the SXhyf Cleaning Brush, a versatile tool for household cleaning. With a compact size of 9 inches long by 1 inch wide by 0.6 inches high, this hard bristle brush is designed for deep cleaning in tight spots like grout lines, corners, and more. Next up, we have the Tuyu Electric Spin Scrubber, a game changer in household cleaning. This IPX7 waterproof scrubber features a stainless steel handle and dimensions of 17.52 inches long by 5.91 inches wide by 5.5 inches high. With a power LCD display, adjustable extension handle, and cordless design, it simplifies cleaning tasks in bathrooms, kitchens, floors, and walls. The scrubber's powerful motor and multiple brush heads ensure efficient and effortless cleaning, reducing work time significantly. Moving along, we'll explore the Dreame L10S Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This cutting-edge device, boasting dimensions of 17.95 inches long by 13.39 inches wide by 23.23 inches high, features Mop Extend technology for in-depth edge cleaning and 7,000 Pascal suction power for exceptional performance. With automatic dust collection, intelligent mop lifting, and obstacle avoidance, it simplifies cleaning tasks. The 136-degree Fahrenheit hot water self-cleaning function and smart mapping capabilities make it an ideal choice for efficient and thorough home cleaning. Number 9. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper simplifies meal prep with its 4-in-1 functionality. Featuring rust-resistant stainless steel blades and a soft grip handle, this kitchen essential ensures precise chopping, slicing, and dicing. The non-skid rubberized bottom and catch tray minimize mess and provide stability. Dishwasher safe and versatile, this chopper is perfect for novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike, streamlining the cooking process with ease. Number 10. Mattitude Kitchen Mat. The Mattitude Kitchen Mat, a set of 2, offers cushion anti-fatigue support in black and gray color. These waterproof rugs, made of PVC, feature a fade-resistant geometric pattern, with dimensions of 17.3 by 47 inches and 17.3 by 29 inches. They are easy to hand wash and maintain. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable standing experience, while the non-slip backing ensures safety by keeping the mats in place, making them ideal for kitchens, offices, and more. Number 11. POUGNY UnderSync Organizer. Discover the 2 pieces UnderSync Organizer Rack in sleek black HIPS material. This environmentally friendly organizer boasts a frosted matte finish, 2 sliding shelves, and 4 hooks for versatile storage. Easy to install without tools, it fits snugly under sinks or cabinets with dimensions of 15.75 inches deep by 8.67 inches wide by 12.79 inches high. Efficient drainage design prevents water accumulation, while the smooth surface ensures effortless cleaning. Brought to you by the trusted brand POUGNY. Number 11. DORESshop LED Night Light. Discover the DORESshop LED Night Light set in soft white, featuring 2 plug-in lights with a dusk-to-dawn sensor. These dimmable night lights adjust brightness from 0 lumens to 60 lumens automatically. Energy efficient at 1 watt, they illuminate spaces like bedrooms and bathrooms. Crafted in an Art Deco style from durable plastic, these wall fixtures provide a cozy glow, saving space and enhancing your home ambiance. Next up, we have the Robotwist Jar Opener, an automatic deluxe model with improved torque for easy lid opening. Designed with 2 large twisting vice grips, it accommodates jar lids ranging from 1.2 to 3.5 inches in diameter. Ideal for individuals with limited grip strength, this gadget simplifies kitchen tasks and offers convenient storage solutions. Let's quickly explore the Phomemo D30 label maker machine, a portable Bluetooth mini printer perfect for home and office labeling needs. This smart device offers multiple templates, fonts, and icons, all while utilizing inkless printing technology for cost-effective and efficient operations. Last but certainly not least, we have the DaisyHome cord organizer for kitchen appliances. This 6-pack adhesive cord keeper ensures a clutter-free environment for your appliances. Made of premium soft rubber, it guarantees durability and flexibility. With its patented design, it can neatly wind up to 7.2 feet of cords. The advanced nanotape technology offers secure attachment without leaving any residue. Organize with ease. If you like any of these gadgets, please check out the Amazon links in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.